Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove borders in Canva. Whether it's from images, shapes, or elements, we will guide you through the simplest steps to clean up your design. Now, on your Canva dashboard, if you want to remove borders, all you have to do is click this file. Once you're here, you can go to Settings and turn off the margins. As you can see, the borders are now removed. If you have rulers and guides, for example, you have rulers and guides here, and you also have a border, for example, you have a border here. To remove this, all you have to do is drag it to the right so that it disappears. We just need to move away from that area, and there will be no borders on the design. Now we just have to click the file again, go to Settings, and remove the ruler so that the design looks clean. And that's how we remove borders in Canva. With just a few simple adjustments, we can create a cleaner and more polished look.